In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix DE, DE1, and DE2 error codes on your LG washing machine. These error codes indicate issues with the washer door not locking properly, but they can usually be resolved with a simple reset. A DE error code means the door was unable to lock. To fix this, open and reclose the door, then reset the washer by turning it off, unplugging it, holding the start pause button for 5 seconds, and then restoring power. A DE1 error code means the door is not closed properly, often due to laundry caught in the gasket. Check for obstructions, close the door securely, and perform the same reset process. If the DE1 error persists, professional service may be required. A DE2 error code indicates the door is closed but not locking, which could be due to too much laundry, items stuck in the gasket, or a bent or broken latch. Ensure nothing is blocking the door, close it securely, and reset the washer using the same steps. If the DE2 error continues, contact LG support for repair assistance.